We are Bozo Consulting Firm, and the firm is formed by Marc-André,
Daniela,
Andra,
Steve, and we're here to present to you Abbott.
good afternoon, my name is Daniela and today we'll be presenting you the company Abbott. We're going to be giving you a little bit of background of the company so you can have a better idea what it is. For the creation part, first we have to understand what creation really is. Creation means to innovate, to come up with something new, something changed. Creation is not only the process of putting together a product or service. We all have to understand that creation is more than that. It is also how we will engage, attract the stakeholders, investors, employees, all those related to the organization.
Since 1888, Abbott Laboratories has been bringing people and products together in the healthcare industry to over 130 countries worldwide. Abbott has demonstrated its commitment to quality through its continuous development in personnel, products, and performance. This commitment is carried out through a variety of programs that foster open communication and entrepreneurial spirit in the daily challenge of satisfying the customer and understanding their needs. Abbott recognizes both their internal and external customer, which gives Abbott the competitive edge. With over $7 billion in sales annually and through a diversified product line, Abbott Laboratories has been at the forefront of the healthcare industry for quality manufacturing.
I assume that by now most of you should know and understand that Abbott is a pharmaceutical company, and as such, one of their core activities is research and development. Abbott starts by identifying a problem, for example, cancer. Then they put a research team together, followed by setting up a specialized lab and making partnerships with universities and other research agencies. The researchers come up with hypotheses that have to be tested several times. When they finally come up with a product which has to comply with the national and global requirements, then they have to manufacture it and market it. For the value creation given to stakeholders, starting by the employees, Abbott is a company that works hard to provide a safe and a good work environment, giving employees benefits and treat them like family. Each year, they receive various distinctions for their commitment to workplace excellence. Abbott is well known for having sales, manufacturing, research and development, and distribution facilities around the world, close where their customers are.
Abbott is a multinational company present all over the world, but let's see its offer in a little town called Rimouski at the left of your screen on the point.
Our first stop is the drugstore. Let's have a look inside of the drugstore and see if we can find any part of the Abbott offer.
Now let's try to find the nutritional product offer of Abbott. As we walk here in the drugstore, we will reach a section with nutritional products such as pharmaceutical products. Abbott offers treatments for HIV, gastrointestinal disease, prostate cancers, and much more products that you can find right here into the pill sections of the drugstore.
Now let's see what we can find in the Rimouski's hospital.
Unfortunately, we cannot go inside and see the instruments because of the X-ray. So let's stop it here. We are currently in the diagnostic instrument section. All the Abbott products are used in hospitals, lab, and blood bank to diagnose a wide range of serious health issues. And here is one of the instruments, product of Abbott. Do you hear this heart? Do you hear this healthy heart? The owner of this heart is confident. He knows in case of emergency, Abbott will offer all the medical and surgical devices needed. In fact, Abbott focuses on treatment of vascular disease by investing in research and development, training and education to offer latest medical device innovation. Indeed, Abbott offers products for animals. They serve the veterinarian market. For example, Abbott offers products such as nutritional supplements to make sure the dog and the cats and the other animals stay as happy as possible. We are currently in the intimacy of a warm house, and we're gonna see where and who are the clients of Abbott. Let's have a walk. One of the clients of Abbott is Roland. Roland is happy because he got good services from Abbott and a great access through the Access program they have. We have another client of Abbott here called Natasha. Okay, Natasha, are you ready for this little interview? Yes, I am ready. Okay, perfect. Natasha, my first question is, I would like to know, where did you receive the services of Abbott? Oh, I received the services of Abbott in the United States. But I know Abbott also serves the Indian market, the Chinese market, the Cambodian market, the Vietnamese market, and different other markets in Europe and Africa. And why did you receive services from Abbott? Because I have the HIV. Okay, great. And could you explain me exactly what are the services that Abbott provide to you? I am currently on a waiting list for free HIV medication in the US. Through their access program to medication, Abbott gave me access to free medication. Oh, and what did you particularly like from this company? They asked me feedback. And they listen at me. And particularly, I like it. Okay, thank you, Natasha, for this little interview. We are currently in the Abbott's office. Here we can see the employees working. They are certainly the main asset of the company, while they added value through their knowledges and their expertise for the clients.
Abbott also creates strong relationship and strong partnership with different institutions such as universities. These win-win partnerships allow students, for example, to work on real problems in the industry, and on the other side, it allows the company to solve the problems they have in their day-to-day business. In the labs, you can find one of the main stakeholders of Abbott. In fact, the researchers help with their research and development, help to develop new products, and increase the added value of Abbott for customers. The investors. The investors expect a big return on their investment.
We are now going to evaluate the global business design of Abbott by using 4 facets. About the first facet, Abbott can be considered as a corporate citizen serving a world market because he has bases, suppliers, and partners all over the world. As an example, he has more than 100 research and development, manufacturing, and distribution locations all over the world. For the second facet, Abbott's mission and vision aim to address and solve an important global issue. Our work targets diseases that pose the greatest burdens on society, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, infectious disease, autoimmune diseases, cognition disorders, vision disorders, and pain. Our diversity enables us to make a unique and powerful contribution to global health by combating diseases on many fronts. So as we can see, Abbott has a very important mission, a mission that really touches everybody on the planet, and that is health. For the third facet, I'm going to give some financial data that will enable us to see that the company is really healthy. The sales in 2010, in fact all the data is for 2010, so the sales were 35.2 billion, net earnings 4.6 billion, research and development investment 3.7 billion, spent on direct suppliers 15.3 billion, and employees' salaries 9.3 billion. Abbott is also willing to understand the values, needs, and expectations of the business stakeholders. For example, in October 2010, the company hosted a multi-stakeholder forum in order to obtain insights and perspectives from a group of stakeholders. The forum enabled participants to gain a clear understanding of mutual priorities and concerns with them. However, no evaluation seems to have been made about the value of that the business creates for the stakeholders and that the stakeholders create for the business. So for this reason, the company will lose a point. For the fourth facet, the company seems to have good and standardized ways of hiring employees, as well as selling, delivering, distributing, and supplying its products. Abbott is very innovative and tries to always reach the highest levels. Abbott has some rewards, and one of them is to be included in the Dow Jones Sustainability World Index and North America Index for the 6th consecutive year in 2010. And this for continued global leadership in economic, environmental, and social performance. The company is really and truly global.
Hello everyone. To conclude, we want to thank you all very much for your attention. We hope that you've enjoyed our presentation on Abbott as much as we've enjoyed making it. And remember, Abbott is a promise for life. Thank you.